this is the only time that Bravo came and explained everything. Otherwise, Bravo kept on like mising us as if we don't exist. When in Tlaseko made the same allegation, now that they come from what is to be his numbers, he's trying to defend himself. Something is fishy here, something is cooking. That screenshot might be not AI generated. That's 100%. That screenshot, it's real screenshot from his number. It might be edited, compressed, or something else. But hey, to each their own. Brixis, how do you defend this one? Are we still jealous? What's happening is that once again, Bravo is being accused of saying that she doesn't love Trixie that much. Their relationship. Okay, let's start with the screenshot where I think it looks like it's talking to someone who's referred to him as a brother to Bravo. They're asking, like, what's going on with this? You said you don't have a driver's license, but what is this? It's like, no, I just did it that time when I wanted to actually fool Isli my fools. We don't know who are the fools that he wanted to fool or he wanted to get money from or whatever that he wanted to do. We're not sure specifically if it's the big brother for our housemates or the management or whoever in his circle who he could have benefited from. Another thing is that when we look to forward onto the chat, saying that how is things with Trixie, and she said that thing is just a smaller thing, something that you cannot actually dwell on, but I'm gonna push, just to make sure that I can benefit and get the most out of it. What does this say? Now, to me, the screenshot does not look AI generated. 100% is not generated, but one thing for sure that I can tell you, it is possible that it was compressed, edited, and then posted after. We don't know what was edited out, what was edited in. I can see that. And if you're asking me, how do you see this? As a former student representative at a university, we used that tactic to actually bad mouth our opponents. We don't actually generate a new WhatsApp, we just edit the image and have a new text because the font is actually looking like that one. This is not the font that you can use on WhatsApp. And why are the number not saved as Bravo? If this person is a brother to Bravo, why did you not save the number with Bravo? And that's a business account. You don't just save a business account with just the number unless you delete them because you have a mission to accomplish, which is to tell people the truth or to actually tarnish Bravo's name. It's either that or either that. And now currently I'm starting to actually believe some of the things that Unhlaseko was saying. Remember that Unhlaseko talked about Bravo not being into Trixie that much. It's just it's what a business move. The child will benefit, everyone will benefit, even Unhlaseko will benefit because Trixie is some sort of stepping stone. And he's talking about being in a car of a deceased person. Guys, the respect from that chat is not there. Like, it's really not there. And if this is the truth, Trixie, my dear, you need to backslide, you need to back record, you just need to let it go. Like, just let it go. I'm telling you, you gonna save yourself from many troubles. I'm telling you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section with your opinions. Goodbye.